Cheese.
Oh, so sweet, Minnie. Look, Sissy's back.
That's Sissy.
Elson, go around there. Say hi. Adeline, go take your picture. Yay! Say cheese. Can you give her a hug? Bye-bye. Oh, so sweet. Okay, we love you, Minnie. Go give him a hug. Yay. Oh. Go take a picture. Go take a picture. Say cheese. All right. Look at. All right. You want to go take a picture? You see the birdies? Whoa. How'd they get in here? How'd they get in here? Okay, put it in. Got lots of balls already, a duck, some candy.
Daddy has the other one. Oh, you want to try one time? Wait. Okay. Let's put that right there. Ready? Wait, we'll do it.
Okay. Press the button, press it, press it, press it. Good job. You got it! Yay! Adeline! Wow! Get your candy! Get your candy!
You got candy!
Wow! Yay! Yeah, yay!
You got candy!
Wow! Did you get candy? Wow! Okay, let's go play some games.
Hey guys, you're ready.
Daddy bought me like the 12 or something.
Okay.
Oh! Get it!
Say hi. Wave hi, Adeline. grabbing lunch.
Lunch.
Yeah, we're doing lunch. Right on the line, you got your applesauce. You can share.
We are about to get our food. To Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party.
Yep, and we can see the castle from our... Oh, you cannot see it. Maybe... Oh, yep, you can. You can see the castle through the windows right here. The perfect castle view. What'd you order?
$46.06.
$46 for what? What did we order?
We ordered 1 kids meal, chicken tenders, 1 pizza, pepperoni flatbread.
What?
You're the chicken tenders. And 1 blackened chicken sandwich.
User's image and voice will be captured. Users will also select their program helmet, body type, and team color.
Alright, here we go. Pictures forward.
Please stand on the disc and look straight ahead. You will be making...
Alright, which one should I do?
I like that.
This one?
You will now select your program's body type.
Assemble the team.
See you on the grid.
Assemble the team. Alright. Yep.
Alright, just and when you get ready to pick it up.
Yeah, we'll be by late tonight, I guess, then, as it gets closer to the end of the party.
They'll notify you when it's ready.
Alright, perfect.
We ready to ride Dumbo? Yay! Allison and Daddy are up.
All right, everybody. Everybody ready? Get ready to take off with the world's only flying elephant.
Oh my god. Going on Tron.
And me and Daddy will be going on Tron.
Yeah. You want to go take a picture? What? Yay!
Adeline, say hi. Say hi. She has a sus face. She's like, yeah. Blast off.
3, 2,
1, blast off.
excited for Christmas? Gonna get the point of view experience here. You excited? Are you driving or am I? Got number 70. There we're off. It'll be a bumpy ride, folks. 50 years old. Can we drive straight? Oh my gosh.
Get ready for a crazy ride.
It's Anna!
Wow, those skiers are so
I was smiling. Here they come. Clarabelle, yeah.
Forget the bike so good. God is
Fairy godmother.
love is all around us at the holidays.
Hey.
Alright, we're going on pirate. There's a character over here. Oh, it's Jack Sparrow.